Hello audience, hopefully you are doing great. Today I'm going to solve another document protection part. So I have chosen this task from May-June 2016 paper. So I already have these source files downloaded with me. I'm going to put link in the description from where you can download these source files. First thing first, you have to extract these files. So just right click and extract to ICT. So once you're done with extraction, you will have this folder on the desktop. So if I just open this file, so I will get source files as well as question paper. So as you can see, there are two PDF documents within. So one is question paper, and you can see that there is another folder that is source file folder. So QP means question paper. So first thing first, I'm just going to open this question paper. So as I told you that I have chosen this paper May-June 2016 and variant is 2, and I'm going to solve document protection part that is part of paper 2. So we are going to start it from page number 2, task 1, where we have to make our own evidence document. So let us do this task. You can follow my lead. So I'm just going to open these windows side by side by pressing shortcut keys Windows right and Windows left. So they are asking this that open the file j226 evidence.rtf. So obviously this file is going to be here within my folder, you can see. So you just have to navigate yourself. You can see this is the file they are asking us to open. I'm just going to open this file. So this is your evidence document, and you can see there is evidence 1, evidence 2. So wherever they are going to ask us to put evidences, we are going to take a screenshot and then we are going to put evidences here. So as you can see that in this paper, this is here evidence 1, it is required here. So we are going to put evidence here by taking screenshot. So let us follow the instructions from here. So we are done with this step. I'm just going to highlight this step. So make sure that your name, center number, candidate number will appear on every page of the document. So they're asking that your all of the details, candidate details, should appear on every page. So it means they're asking us to put a header. So what I'm going to do, and remember they are asking us to put header in our evidence document. This is your evidence document, fine. So just expand the screen and click on insert, and there is option of header. Keep it standard procedure, always add 3 blank columns. So you added 3 blank columns, and I'm going to put my name here. So in this case, I am going to write my assumed name. Then they are asking us to write a center number. And then they are asking us to write a candidate number. So I'm going to write candidate number here. So my name here, remember guys, this name, center number and candidate number is assumed numbers. So you have to write proper ones. You're going to get your registration. So all of your details are going to be available with you. But right now, I'm just for sake of example, I'm just going to write assumed candidate details. So we are done with the header thing. I have closed that header. So now this header is going to appear in each page. If I just add another page, it's going to be automatically added. So now they're asking us to save this evidence document. So they are saying that you have to save this evidence document in your work area. So work area is our current folder. So I'm just going to save that, save as, and here is my current folder. So I am going to save this, and remember this is rich text format RTF. Always change it into Word document. It's very important step. And then you can add your candidate number at the end as per instructions. If I just show you those instructions here. So my document is now saved in my work area. As you can see that they said that add a candidate number at the end of the file name. So I did that. Now I'm done my evidence document. Okay. So let us proceed towards the task 2. So a few instructions are given here, bit of scenario explained that what we have to do. So we are going to start with step 1. So they are asking using suitable software package, open the file J226 super.rtf. So we have to locate this file. Obviously, we are going to get our file from our source file folder work area. So you can see I have saved my evidence document and its type is docx. And here you can see this one. Yeah, this file we are going to do work with. So I'm just going to align it on the right side and paper on left side. So let us see. So they are saying that page size to A4. Always remember, if you have to do setting related to pages, you can access it from layout option. Fine. Just click on layout and see where is the size. So if I just click size here, so you can see that we have to choose A4. So just click on A4. Now paper size is A4. So a orientation, they're asking that it should be landscape. So right now you can see orientation is portrait. So still you are going to change it from layout option. So just click landscape. So now you're going to get this type of view. Then they are asking us to set up the top bottom margins to 1.5 centimeter. All of these options are basically from the layout. So click on margins and go to the custom margins and just see what margins they are asking. Top bottom is 1.5 centimeter. So I just have to write 1.5 and bottom margin is also 1.5. Left margin as per instructions is 2 centimeter. Right margin is also 2 centimeter. So that is okay. Just click OK. Now you have set, you are all set with the margins. So we are done with the custom margins. Fine. Now here we have to take two screenshots. So take a screenshot to show the page size. Place this in your evidence document. So how we are going to do that? Basically, they want to see that either we have chosen A4 or not. So just expand and you can go to custom margins and here you can see that there is a paper setting. So if you are using Windows 10 or Windows 11, you can use Windows Shift S key to take a screenshot. So I'm just going to press Windows Shift S shortcut key and take a screenshot of this thing. Even you can take this screenshot up to this point, it's fine. So open your evidence document. First of all, you have to cancel this. Here is my evidence document and I'm going to paste it here. So you can see that I have pasted that paper size is A4. Now next step, we have to take another evidence, take a screenshot to show margin settings. Place this in your evidence document. We are done with the margins thing. So they want us to show us what we did with the margins. So how we are going to show? Same step, go to margins and go to custom margins. And you can see there is a margin option. So you can take a screenshot of this. And you can also put the orientation. So in evidence document here, second evidence, you have to put it here. Here you go. So we are done with two evidences and we are done with the first step. So I'm just going to highlight this entire thing. Now they're asking that save your document in your work area. Fine. So I have to save this document in a work area in suitable software package. Still remember this is a RTF document. We have to change it into Word document. So again, file, save as, and my work area is here, my current folder, and it's on the desktop. So they ask us to change the name to broker. Fine. So I'm going to change it. like this, and I'm just going to save it as Word document. So here we go. We are done with the saving of this document here. Now they are asking us to place in your evidence document, third evidence, to show this file has been saved. Make sure there is evidence of file type. So basically we have to go to our work area, and you can see that here is the file that I have saved. So I'm just going to expand it, and file type should be visible. So I can drag it like this, and I can expand it so that this Word document is visible. So I'm just going to take a screenshot of this entire thing, so I can show it that I have saved this file in my work area. So this is step 2, evidence 3. I'm just going to paste it like this. You can see that file type is visible, and make sure to click on that so that it's highlighted so your examiner can see that yes, this is the file. And also you can expand this portion so that Microsoft Word document is visible. So we are done up to this point. We are done with 3 screenshot evidences we have placed in our evidence document. Now let us proceed to the next step. Now we are going to do the step 3. So they are asking, place in the header the automated file name and path right aligned. So in this case, I'm just going to open my document, and as they have instructed us to insert a header, so you can get that from insert tab, fine. And then go to the headers option and always keep it 3 columns. Keep it a standard procedure. So automated file name in path right aligned. So just select the right placeholder, and you can go for document info under the design view, and file name is there, and also file path is there. So you have chosen this, and then select it and go to the home tab and align it to the right side. So this is right aligned. Although this is taking large portion of this because my file is on the desktop, and that's why file path is a bit large. So it's okay. So we are done with this part. So I'm just going to close my header. You can see that it is right aligned, file name and path. Now they are asking, we are done with the header thing. Now they're asking that you have to put a footer. So same thing we have to do. So I have to go to insert option and automated page number left align, your name, center number, candidate number on right align. Fine. So in this case, I just have to add footer, again 3 columns. And now uh, if I just verify what they were saying, left aligned automated page number. So click here, and then go to the page number and click on current position, and you can add a plain number. That is fine. And right aligned, you have to put your center number, your name. In this case, I'm going to write my assume name, and then center number, and then candidate number. I'm just going to write like this. So I'm done with this step. Just verify what, yeah, they are asking us to put a comma. So I did that. I'm done with this step as well. Now make sure all alignment match the page margins. So all of the alignments are matching. No other text is included in header or footer. So no other text included means you can say you can get rid of these blank placeholders, and you can see no other text is added to header or footer. So I'm just going to close it this. Okay, headers and footers are displayed on all of the pages. So yes, they are displayed. Now again, step 4, this is also very important step. We are going to create styles. So let me show you how to create a styles. First of all, I'm just going to I'm going to copy the style name. So you just have to expand the window, and you can see there is option of styles. This is a group for styles. So I'm just going to put my cursor here, and I'm going to click here. and then create style. So I'm just going to paste style name, and then I'm going to see how I'm going to modify it. So they are asking that your font style should be sans serif. So sans serif, remember, is Arial. So I'm just going to choose Arial here, and then 36 point bold in italic. So I just have to choose 36 from here, bold and italic. So I'm done with the serif, 36, bold and italic. We are left with the alignment, line spacing, space before and after. We can do all of these things from paragraph option. So I just have to navigate myself to paragraph. So go to the paragraph option, and alignment, it should be right. So here you go. And from the paper you can see spacing before and after is 0 and line spacing is single. So we don't need to change anything from here. Just click OK. Just click OK. So we are done with one style, that is TYB title. Now let us go with the second style, uh, TYB subtitle. So again you have to create a style. Click on create, click on modify, and let us see what we need here. So sans serif, it's Arial, same, and size is going to be 8. Let us see what are the enhancement. Only underline. So you can see that it is bold and italic already selected for the previous for the font style. So I just have to deselect it. Make sure to deselect it, otherwise you're going to make a mistake. Then rest of the things related to paragraphs. So I just have to click on paragraph, and let us see what alignment they need. It should be left aligned, and we are going to see the spaces. Line spacing single, 0 0, and everything is fine. Line spacing is single, spacing is before and after is 0 0. We are okay with that, and here you go. We are done with the second style. Let us do third style. Same procedure I have to adopt. Again, click here, create style, create style name, paste style name, click on modify, and then sans serif is Arial, size is now 16. Let us see what are the enhancements. So all capitals, bold is fine, but underline we have to get rid of that. And this all caps you can do because it is related to font. You can do it from the font. So I'm just going to click on font and find the options for all caps. You can see this is the option here, all caps. So click on OK, and you can see verify all of your settings here. You can see no underline, all caps, left to right style, lot of things you can verify from there. What else we are left with now? We are left with all of the paragraph settings. So in this case, I just have to open paragraph, and according to instructions, alignment is this time centered, and single, line spacing is single, before is 0, but after it is 12. So I just have to change it into 12. Just click OK, click OK. We are done with this style as well. Now we have to do style TY body. So for that reason, I'm just going to copy this again and click here, create style, Control V, modify. Now I'm going to quickly do it. But here you can see font style is changed from sans serif to serif. So remember, serif is Times New Roman. So I'm just going to choose Times New Roman body because we are dealing with the body font. So click on body and see what size we required. It's 12. And according to instructions, no enhancements. Fine, none enhancements. Now alignment is justified. So go to the paragraphs, go to the alignment, and it is justified. Rest is fine. Before is 0, after is 12, and single. So you can verify that yes, everything is fine. So yeah, we are done with another style. Now I'm going to, yeah, one thing that is very important here. You see, it is all caps. So you can make a mistake here. So let us verify ty body. So we have to modify this and we have to get rid of all caps. So in case of that, click on font and deselect the all caps. Fine. And click OK. Now it's fine because we don't want capital letters. So ty table, create style, table, modify. Rest is same, I guess. Serif Times New Roman is selected 12. Alignment is left, enhancements none. Yeah. So I just have to go to paragraphs. I have to choose left, and rest spacing is 0. After and before is 0. Line spacing is single. So click OK. Click OK. Now we are done with this entire thing. Now let us proceed to the next step. Place in your evidence, show all the setting for TY subheading style. So evidence 4, we have to do it. So TY subheading. So I have to locate TYB subheading. This is subheading, just modify it. And then you have to show the setting for this one. So what I can do, I did setting for paragraphs, and it is all caps as well. So you can see that this setting is also visible. So I'm going to take a screenshot of these two screens here, and I'm going to put in my evidence document. So for that reason, I have to open my evidence document, and this is my evidence 4. So here you go. I have put my evidence document here. So this is, we are done with this evidence as well. I'm just going to highlight all of these aspects so that we can keep track of what we are done. Now step 5. Now we are going to apply the styles. So at start of document, I have to add this text. So at the start of document, press enter, and here this is the text that was required. I have put that. Apply the TYB title style to this text. So I have to choose this text, and I just have to click on this. Fine. This one, TYB style. So we are done with this. Below TYB style to this text, drafted by, add your name. So I'm just going to click enter here, and I can write drafted by, and I'm just going to write my name. Okay, this name is just assumed name. So that is fine. And now let us see what else they are asking us to say, asking us to do. So apply TYB subtitle style. So I just have to select this, and this one I have to apply. So this is TY subtitle. I just have to verify that I have chosen the right one. TYB subtitle, and if I just go to TY subtitle to verify, yes, it is left aligned, it's underlined. So left align and underline, that's okay, that's fine. So I'm just going to highlight all of these again. So apply TY subtitle, apply, I already did that. We are done with this. Apply TY body text to rest of the document. So choose the rest of document and select TYB body style. So you can see. So there is kind of a problem. You can see if I just select this, and if I this, there is some difference. Fine. So if I select this and this one, so this one is fine. So what I can do, I can just format, use a format painter and select entire document. So this look like this. Fine. So sometimes it can happen. You can closely watch that thing and just verify that what you need. So basically you see, if I was selecting this, the font size was 12. So TY body style is applied to this here. And even if you have to double check it, so just select it again here and select this TYB body style. So that is fine now. So change the page layout that all the text after the first paragraph in two columns after the first paragraph. So very important. So after, you have to go up to this point, and this is the first paragraph. After the first paragraph, choose all of the document and then go to the layout, two columns. Fine. And click on more columns. There are two columns, but we have to set up the spacing. That's why I have chosen this, and the spacing between them is 2 centimeter. So I just have to change this value to 2 centimeter. So click OK, and you can see that now uh, my document look good. We are done up to this point. I'm just going to highlight this. Now identify 6 subheadings in document and apply TYB subheading style. So there are 6 subheadings. By pressing Control key, I'm just going to choose all of these 6 subheadings. So make sure you're choosing these subheadings. Just verify 1, 2, 3, and this one is also heading. I just have to press enter. Yeah. Okay. So for that reason, I have to do it again. So locate 6 subheadings here. Uh, okay, this one is not, yeah, it is also heading. So that is a bit confusing, but no worries. Here sales is here, business review is here, and this one is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and sixth one is this one. Fine. So 6 subheadings. So I just have to go to home tab and select TY subheadings. So here you go. You have selected this one. This is fine. Subheading styles I have chosen. So here I am going to highlight this. Now using the data in the table J226 sales.cs, we create an appropriate chart to compare the sales of yacht for year 2015 to 2014 and 2013. So we have to open this J226 sales file. So I have to go back to my source file folder, my work area, and I have to open J226 sales. So this is the file I have to open, and this is something new that we are doing in this. So first thing first, once open, this is comma separated file CSV. Once you open it, just select entire thing and double click it so that everything is expanded and it look good. So I'm just going to choose this entire thing. Um, and you can see in the paper they ask us up to 2015, 2014, and 13. So we have to plot graph for this. So you can see 2015, 14, 13 I have chosen. So I can click on insert and go for graphs. So I'm just going to choose a bar graph. That is a better approach. So I'm just going to choose this. So that is fine. I have added a bar graph. So you can choose other graphs as well, but more appropriate for comparison is your bar graph. This is good for the doing comparisons, because you can say bars or vertically and horizontally can be oriented, and it is easier for us to do comparison and visualize the data. So you can see that it is uh, more appropriate. Label the chart with comparison of super yacht sales. So I'm just going to copy this and I'm going to paste it here because this is the title for our chart. So include appropriate labels and legend. So we have to see either we have the labels or legends. So just click on that and click on this, and you can see axis, x-axis and y-axis are there. Legends are also included, so we don't need to. If I just deselect, you can see legends are uh, not there now. So just click on legends. So legends should be there. You can put it on bottom is fine. So other than that, yes, uh, X's are there. So yeah, primary horizontal and primary vertical, that is there. Yeah, so that is fine. We are okay with that. So include appropriate labels and legends. We have already included. So you just have to verify the X's and also labels. So they are already there. So insert the chart on page 1 after paragraph ending over the past 3 years. So first of all, I just need to find this file, this wording, so that is here. I'm just going to click Control F and I'm going to Control V. You can see this is the place where I have to put my chart. I'm going to press enter and I'm going to copy this chart. Control C, copy this entire chart. Fine. So copy, and I'm going to Control V here. So you can see I have added my chart here. So type a evaluation of your paragraph or chart into your evidence document. So you have to type it, the evaluation, why you have chosen this you can say chart, graph chart, your graph chart. So bar chart I have chosen. So if I just go to the Excel, so if I select this and go to the insert, I can put a pie chart as well. Fine. But you can see that there is a lot of problem with that, because you can see it is difficult to analyze the magnitude of angles, and there can be slices. uh, it's difficult to visualize. There are too many of slices, and this does not do well justify comparison. Fine. For the person who is seeing this, it does not look good for comparison. So we can choose pie chart, but we did not choose that, but because we were comfortable with graph chart. So but they're asking us to evaluate this entire thing. So we are going to evaluate this in our evidence document. I have to open my evidence document. So here I have to write, I can write in points. So I can write this, instead of points, I just can write bullets. So bar graph is chosen because the bars are oriented horizontally and vertically. I just have to, yeah, vertically, are easy to compare and visualize the data. Pie chart can have many slices, maybe of same size, it can cause difficulty in comparing and visualizing the data. So this type of explanation you can write in your evidence document. So I have given the justification why I have chosen bar graph and why I don't have chosen pie chart. So that's the thing. We are done up to this evaluation point, and I'm just going to highlight this. Yeah. So now they're asking us to open the file orders. We have to open another file from the source file. So this one, insert, yeah. So same thing, just select this thing entire and copy this entire thing. We have to put this, let us see where we have to put. Yeah. So insert the content as a table within the column width after the text. Okay. So I have to locate this text first in my document. So here is my broker document. If I just use shortcut key Control F and Control V, you can see that here I have to add this table. Fine. So here I'm going to press enter, and now I have to copy this from here, Control C, and I'm going to put it Control V. So I'm done with this. No worries, it's getting down there, but I'm just going to select this entire thing and make all the grid lines visible, because once you make it visible, so it's going to it's going to be easy for you to work with it. Insert a new row at the end of the table. So at the end of the table, before doing that, I can just expand this bit. Sorry, like this here and here. Yeah. So they're asking that you have to enter another row. So here I have entered the another row. So what I'm going to do is, according to their data, I have to put this data here. So I have to put for China. So 900, okay, and also 26. So 26 is there. Okay. So you can see that now we are done with this point, and now what we are going to do, sort the data in the table so that length in the meter column is displayed in descending order. So length in descending order. So I'm just going to select the table. So you can see what I have to do. I should not be choosing first row and second row, because we don't want that to be sorted. I just want to sort this thing entirely. So for that reason, I have set to select these cells and then click on A to Z. So in this case, we are talking about second column, and it should be sorted according to numbers in descending order. Then click OK. Now it is sorted in descending order. Now let us see what else they are asking us to do. Format, we are done up to this point. I'm just going to highlight this entire thing up to this point. I'm going to highlight this like, okay. So now step 19, format the first row of the table to be bold italic. So first row, it should be, first of all, I just have to, you know, merge this. So merge cells, and yeah, it should be center aligned over the three columns. So I'm just going to make it center aligned, and then bold and italic. So I just have to make it bold and italic. And then what else we need to do? Shade it with light gray background 20 to 40%. Now this is important step. So they want us to shade this first row, but it should be gray 20 to 40%. So how I'm going to do that? You can go to this bucket option, and here if I hover my mouse, you can see white background, it is 25%. You can choose this one and it should be between 20 to 40%. So I can choose this darker 35%. It's in between. So I'm going to choose this one. I think light is fine, light gray, because it is also lying in the range. You can see if I hover my mouse, so darker is 25%. So that's fine. So we are done up to this point, and let us see what else we are left with. Make sure that TYB table style is applied to row 2 to 12. So row 2 to 12, I have to select, and up to this point, I have to TY table, I have to select it this like this. So that's fine. Now you see, yeah. So all grid lines, text in each cell does not wrap. So you can see that United States of America, it's coming in two lines. So we have to do adjustment in a way that it should not be in two lines. So I can just, do the arrangement like this. Not for this entire one. And if I just go like this, you will see, yeah, here. So there is no text wrapping. So I have done this thing as well. So I'm just going to uh, yeah, highlight this and also I have applied the grid lines. So once you're going to take a print of this, this is going to appear. Grid lines are going to appear in your last, you can say, once you're going to take a print of this, this is going to appear. So import the image, this one, and place this below the subheading charters. Fine. So I just have to copy this image. This image is J226 yacht. So where is this one? Yeah, I just have to copy this image. So copy it, and then I have to paste under charters heading. So here under the charters heading, where is my charters heading? Under this, I'm just going to Control V. So this is the yacht, picture of yacht that I have inserted. So now they're asking reflect the image, the yacht points to the left. So right now it is pointing to the right. I have to point it into to the left. So select the image, click on format, and there is option of rotate flip. If I just can flip horizontal, you will see that now it is pointing on the left side. So I have to resize it in 6 centimeter wide. So select this, go to format, and you can see that width is there. So nothing else, just change the width, and aspect ratio is already maintained. So 6 centimeter. So once you're going to click, you are going to get this type of image. Align the image to the top of the paragraph, starting Tawara yacht charter. So top of the paragraph under this. So for that reason, just select this, click on format, and click on square. Fine. So once you do, you can easily move it. So I'm just going to put under Tawara yacht charter. So that is fine. So your image should look like this. So align the image to the top of paragraph starting Tawara yacht shorter left margin within the column. Make sure the text wrap around the image. It may look like this. So yes, our document look like this. So I'm just going to highlight this as well. So we are done. I'm done completing with this entire task, although it was lengthy, but there were a lot of useful things you have learned from here. So next thing, few finishes you have to do. You have to get rid of windows and widows and orphans. Rest of document is fine, and just control S to save that in your work area. Later stage, you're being asked to take a print of it. You can take the print. And more importantly, you can check for your evidence document. You can see for this task, you have collected these evidences. So this is in your evidence document. So evidence one is there, evidence two, three, four, and more importantly, evaluation part that I have written here. You can take an idea from there. So we are left with a lot of other evidences, but that is some other part. So I'm going to do that in some other video. So that is it for this video. Thank you for your focus and attention. If you want to do the practice of this, just download the source files from the description and start doing the work. Follow my lead, and hopefully there is not going to be any problem solving this that document production part, paper 2. So that's it for this. Thank you.